Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Miraki. As you all know, I have started a series on video editing. The application I'm using is InShot. In my previous class, I have taught you how to trim, cut and split a video clip. I'm going to drop a link over here so you can check that out. In this video, I'm going to talk about the feature over here which is music. As you can see, I have a video clip over here and I'm going to go into the music option. There we have three options: tracks, effects and record. I'm going to go in tracks. In tracks you have three options: featured, my music and effects. So in featured you have all these tracks. These are free tracks. They do not have any copyrights. You can use it anywhere. So I'm just going to use any track over here. I'm going to use this track. Now the video will look like this. There's one more thing you can do with your video. As you can see over here, it has 0% volume. You can adjust the volume of the video by increasing or decreasing it. I did not wanted the volume, so I have reduced it to 0. If you want volume, you can adjust it. Now I'm going to show you how does the splitting of video clip and audio clip can be used. For example, I have this video clip of 30 seconds. For first 8 seconds, I want a slow background music, but the voice of the video should be clear and loud. For the rest of the video, I want the music to be loud and all the video should be muted. So first I'm going to split the video for the first 8 seconds. Now the video is in two parts, 8 seconds and 21 seconds. Now we want to apply the music. Now the music for the first 8 seconds should be low. So I'm going to split the music from 8 seconds. Now I'm going to click on this first part, edit and make it 25. And the rest of the video should have the full music. Click on OK. Now I'm going to click on the video clip. Click on the first one, it should have the full volume. Click on the second one, the volume of this should be 0. Now let's see how it works.
Do it as well as you. That's the important thing. Don't shirk. Whatever you do, give it your best shot. You'll be glad you did.
There's one more thing we do with the music. In some functions, like we have school functions, we have some pre-recorded dialogues which we play on the day of the function. So how we arrange the dialogues, that it has a background music and then later there is another dialogue and there is a music in between. How I arrange everything, I'm going to show you. First I'm going to go in music. I'm going to select a music. So for example, this one is nice. Now I want my dialogues. So I'm going to go into the my music folder, open from, and then sound picker, and then I want the audios. I have some pre-recorded audios over here, so just going to go over here.
You know, Zainab, we, the humans.
So now I have this whole audio clip. What I want is, I want the dialogues of two students separately. So I'm going to go in edit. These straight lines are indicated. Long pauses means that these are different dialogues of different students. So you can cut the dialogues separately.
You know, Zainab, we, the humans, always evaluate our
There you
life
can see.
situation.
This is
We
a
feel
long
no
part.
satisfaction until
Let's see.
we gain goals. Zainab.
So this is the first dialogue. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this audio track because in this very audio track you have the next dialogue. So I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to press, hold and move it over here. So I have the gap of this is ending on 11 and this is starting on 18, 19. So how much gap you want, you can adjust the from here. So now I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click on edit and I'm
Zainab,
going to go
we, the
for
humans,
the next
always
dialogue. So it
evaluate
is
our life
roughly over here
situation.
and
Zainab,
this was
we, the.
here.
Yes, you are right. That's the reason most of us want to get out of our comfort zone and to explore. And that I feel is a good thing.
These are the two dialogues. So there is a music over here.
Zainab, we, the humans, always evaluate our life situation. We feel no satisfaction until we get goals.
So what we want is we want the music volume. So I'm just going to change the music to this. Alright. So I'm going to split the music now. Split it from here. Split it from here. So the dialogues have the music. I'm going to reduce the volume 20 and this one also 20 and this is 100%. So it will look like this.
Zainab, we, the humans, always evaluate our life situation. We feel no satisfaction until we get goals. Yes, you are right. That's
And
the
that's how
reason
you can do
most.
it. In music you have this option. For example, I'm going to add a music. So I'm going to edit it. And that's the only part I like. So if I want it again, I'm going to duplicate it again and again how many times I want. So you can have specific part. It's starting again. There's one more thing with the music that you can do is go into the editing and there are these two options, fade in and fade out. So I'm going to select both and I'm going to show you. So fade in means it's going to be a faded sound and then it's going to increase. You can see the fade out, reducing, and then the next is starting. The second option over here was effects. In effects, you have some pre-installed effects that you can use. Now I'm going to use the third feature, which is record. Record allows you to record your voice directly from this application. So right now I have this picture over here that I want to explain. So this picture is of 5 seconds. It will go on for 5 seconds, but it's really hard for me to explain all of these types of computer in 5 seconds. So what I'm going to do is there is this option for speed. I'm going to increase the speed to maximum, which is 10 seconds. Still I won't be able to explain all the computers in 10 seconds. So I'm going to click again. I'm going to copy it. It will increase to 20 seconds. You can do it multiple times. Now I'm going to go in music, record. I'm going to click on record. The countdown will go on and after that it will start recording your audio. Right now it is not doing it because I'm already using the microphone to record this video. So that is how you can record your audio.